Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to compare two Word documents. Whether you are reviewing edits from a colleague or checking for changes in different versions of a document, Word has built-in tools to make this process quick and easy. To begin with, I will go to the Review tab on the ribbon, click on Compare, and select Compare from the drop-down menu. A dialog box appears. This is where you specify the two documents you want to compare. You will notice two sections. Original document. This is the first version of the document, the one you want to compare changes against. Revised document. This is the updated version that may contain edits, additions, or deletions. Use the drop-down menus to select the files or click the folder icons to browse and locate the documents manually. I will go ahead and select document 1 and document 2 saved on my desktop. Now if you click on more, you will see a list of options that let us fine-tune what Word tracks. For the purpose of this tutorial, I will leave all options checked so we can see every difference. Next, we have the Show Changes At section. Character level tracks individual letter changes. Word level detects whole word modification. I will keep it at word level. Then we have Show Changes In. I will stick with the default option, New Document. So we get a clear side-by-side comparison without modifying the original files. Once everything is set, click OK. Word will display a three-pane view with the center pane showing the combined document. All the changes are highlighted for easy review. Any inserted text appears underlined in red, while deleted text is marked with a strike through, making it simple to spot edits at a glance. On the right pane, you will see both the original and revised documents for reference, while the left pane provides a summary of all detected changes. It shows every modification in order. If you want to keep all the changes but remove the distracting markups, here's a quick way to do it. Go to the Review tab on the ribbon, click Accept, and select Accept All Changes to merge everything instantly. Select Accept and move to Next if you want to review each edit one by one before deciding. I will go ahead and click Accept All Changes to finalize the document. Once you're happy with the changes, head to File, Save As. Choose your preferred location, enter a file name if needed, and click Save. I will go ahead, save mine on desktop, and rename it as Home Office Setup. And in case if you prefer a more manual approach to comparing two documents without generating markups, Word's side-by-side view is a great alternative. Here's how you do it. Open both Word documents. In either document, go to the View tab. Click View Side by Side under the window group. By default, Word enables synchronous scrolling, which means when you scroll in one document, the other document moves along with it, allowing for a line-by-line comparison. But if you wish to scroll individually, just click synchronous scrolling to disable it. Once you're done comparing, click View Side by Side again to return to the normal view. And that's it. Now you know a couple of ways to compare Word documents. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions or suggestions for topics you want me to cover, please drop a comment below. I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.